Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a link to your TikTok bio step by step. So if you want to add a website link to your TikTok bio, you can just follow the step-by-step guide to enable then the clickable link options on TikTok. So first, you need to switch to a business account because a clickable link in the bio is only available for business account. And first, you can just open your TikTok and go to your profile. Now you can tap on the three lines at the top, tap on settings and privacy and go to account. And here choose to switch to business account. So as you guys can see, I've already done it. So the only options here is switch to personal account because I already have business account. So after you switch to business account, you need to choose a category such as any works, but personal, blog, or education is common. So after your account is set to business mode, you can unlock the bio link feature. Now you can just here go back to your TikTok profile and then tap on edit here in your profile. And now to add the link, you can just scroll down until you find the links options. You can tap on add in here. So there are 5 options of link that you can add to your TikTok bio. There are Lemonade, website, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. But if you want to add website in here, when you click on add, so you need to fill in some details about your business first. So you can just tap on get started. So to be able to add a website link, you need to first register your business on TikTok. So you can just fill in this basic information about your business information. After that, you can just tap on next. Then you can add your business website. But if you want to add another link such as maybe YouTube or Instagram, you can do so by clicking on add in here. So if you already signed in with your account on Instagram, Twitter, or Lemonade, or the links that you want to add, you can just simply authorize so that TikTok can access to the account. You can just tap on continue, and within seconds, the links will be added. So when you go back to your profile, here is the clickable link on your TikTok bio. That's pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye.